Make sure employees get a COVID vaccine or get tested. Otherwise, face the consequences. Good evening. Thanks for being here. I'm Angela Taylor.
And I'm Russ Bowen. Nearly half of the nation's states now saying the feds have no right to force such a mandate. So what does that mean for North Carolinians? We're getting answers tonight. 24 Republican state attorney generals now saying it's up to the states to decide whether companies should be forced to tell employees they have to get a COVID vaccine or get tested.
What a complicated matter. It's like the Lawyer Relief Act. There's probably more lawyers out there scrambling ever before on this issue, which is really a 10th Amendment. Is it a state right or federal right to do this?
Opponents of the Biden administration's vaccine mandate say the 10th Amendment is clear, that powers not delegated by the federal government are left to the states. But President Biden's team argues that the Occupational Safety and Health Act does give them the right, as the mandate protects employees from grave danger.
Now, what the heck does grave danger mean? Well, I think it means this kind of situation where people are dying right and left. I've had friends to die in the past couple of months. It's a grave danger situation, and the president ought to have the power under OSHA to do that.
North Carolina is not suing, and workers here have little choice if a company decides that employees must be vaccinated. The way our state law works, employers can fire you at will. Wake Forest law professor Don Vaughn says employers that just don't want to deal with it are already finding ways to avoid the mandate.
They have 90-some employees. They need to find 10 or 15 more employees, but until this is resolved, they're not going to hire over that 100 limit.
Companies with 100 or more employees face a January 4th deadline, but that date is looking more and more like a moving target.
The attorney generals all seem to have a good argument. The president seems to have a good argument. It may end up being the Supreme Court's ultimate decision what to do on this.
And Angela, we've done how many stories at this point just on how many more pandemics we'll likely see in our lifetime, right? So whatever the Supreme Court does, if it gets it, this is going to be a major deal for the rest of our lives and more generations to come.